FactWire News. Delivering facts, no spin. Tonight's investigative report. How much do billionaires actually pay in federal taxes compared to middle-class Americans? We examine the data from official IRS statistics, peer-reviewed economic studies, and government analyses. All figures are sourced directly from public records and recent research. No opinions, just the facts. First, let's define the groups with clear numbers. Middle-class households are generally those in the middle-income quintiles. According to the Institute on Taxation and Economic Policy's 2024 analysis of federal taxes, the middle 20% of U.S. households, those earning roughly $51,500 to $86,800, face an effective total federal tax rate of 26.4%. This includes income taxes, payroll taxes, and other federal levies. For comparison, the fourth 20%, earning $86,800 to $147,300, face an effective total federal tax rate of 27.2%. Now, look at the ultra-wealthy. A September 2025 National Bureau of Economic Research working paper by economists Emmanuel Saez, Gabriel Zuckman, and colleagues matched Forbes 400 data with IRS tax returns. It found that the 400 wealthiest Americans paid an average effective tax rate of 23.8% on their full economic income between 2018 and 2020. That compares with an average effective rate of 30.2% for the entire U.S. population during the same period. The study notes the rate for this group dropped from 30% in the 2010 to 2017 period following the 2017 Tax Cuts and Jobs Act. Separate IRS data tells a different part of the story on total revenue. According to the Tax Foundation's November 2024 analysis of the latest IRS Statistics of Income for tax year 2022, the top 1% of taxpayers, those with adjusted gross income above $663,164, paid an average federal income tax rate of 26.1%. That same group accounted for 40.4% of all federal individual income taxes collected. The top 50% of earners paid 97% of the total. The bottom half of taxpayers paid just 3% and faced an average effective federal income tax rate of 3.7%. Other analyses highlight how wealth growth differs from reported taxable income. A 2021 White House study, based on IRS data, estimated that the wealthiest 400 billionaire families paid an average federal individual income tax rate of 8.2% in a typical year. ProPublica's 2021 review of leaked IRS records showed that from 2014 to 2018, the 25 richest Americans paid $13.6 billion in federal income taxes on $401 billion in reported wealth growth, an effective rate of 3.4%. Economists note that much of billionaire wealth grows through unrealized capital gains on stocks and assets, which are not taxed until sold. Middle-class wage earners, by contrast, have most of their income subject to immediate payroll and income withholding. A 2025 Treasury Department study found that when state and local taxes are added, effective tax rates for the top 0.01% can reach 46% of annual income. These numbers come directly from IRS filings, National Bureau of Economic Research papers, the Tax Foundation, and the Institute on Taxation and Economic Policy. Data years vary because full IRS statistics are released with a lag. Latest detailed billionaire-specific matching studies cover through 2020. That's the data on billionaire and middle-class tax payments. Conclusion from the data. Middle-class households in the middle-income quintiles face effective total federal tax rates of 26.4% to 27.2%. The 400 wealthiest Americans paid an average effective tax rate of 23.8% on full economic income. Analyses of billionaire wealth growth show effective rates of 3.4% to 8.2%. According to these metrics, middle-class Americans pay higher effective tax rates as a percentage of their income than the billionaires examined. In absolute dollar terms, the top 1% of taxpayers, which includes many billionaires, accounted for 40.4% of all federal individual income taxes collected in tax year 2022. If you want more fact-based investigative reporting like this, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and support FactWire News by sharing this video. Leave your thoughts below. What questions do you have about the data? We read every comment.